विसावा उपरांत तुमकां येवकार पळोवया फुडल्यो खबरो। सरकारान राज्यांत प्लाझ्मा थेरपी सुरू करपाचो निर्णय घेतला। त्या खातीर कोरोना मुक्त जाल्ल्यांनी स्वखोशेन प्लाझ्मा दान करचें म्हण आवाहन भलायकी सचिव नीला मोहनन हांच्यांनी केलें। RDXGOA ब्युरो रिपोर्ट।
Today the health minister spoke about plasma therapy. So how much helpful it would be, because in Goa especially, since they are trying to start it now.
Plasma therapy is one possibility we are actively considering. We have a committee constituted in GMC, headed by our experts, head of departments of the concerned departments. So that deliberation is going on. In the meanwhile, we have got the detailed protocol from ICMR. We had requested ICMR to share with us. They have shared it with us. Now we need permission from ICMR also if we are to start plasma therapy treatment. The moment we get the committee's report, we will go ahead with that as well. We will approach ICMR. We will tell them that we are also interested to be included as one of the states, one of the facilities where plasma therapy can be put to trial.
Can it be sooner, or it takes time because you need permissions and everything?
Well, permission is mandatory. ICMR permission is a prerequisite, but that doesn't mean that our preparations cannot happen. Both things can happen in tandem, and we will be following it up on priority.